You don't live here. No one has for some time. I've walked by this house every day since getting injured, and all these weeks there's been no sign of life here. Until today. Then, poof, the grass is trimmed. I'm terrible at yard work, Helen whispered. And clothes appeared hanging on the line. Officer Adams raised an eyebrow. Nice touch. I tried to tell myself I was being too critical. I was giving you a chance anyway. But the mould, the nest, and then the leak under the sink? Can't you just unsee all of that? Helen waved a hand at the rooms and tried to smile, but she was sure it came out sickly and weak. She thought she might vomit. Officer Adams only sighed. I do not appreciate being lied to, Miss Danner. Not at all. He stepped back into a very official military stance. Do not concern yourself with going to the port tomorrow. This evaluation did not go well.